Today we'll be making a pinwheel. To get started, visit our website to print up your template. Once you've printed up your template, you can begin coloring. It's a great idea to color each of the 4 sections a different color. Feel free to add a design if you like. Once you've completed coloring, you're going to want to grab a hole punch. Out by the corners, there's a circle. That's where you're going to want to punch a hole in each of the corners. Once you've finished punching your holes, you're going to want to grab your scissors, and on each of the 4 corners, you're going to want to follow the line. Now remember, that line doesn't quite go to center, so don't cut all the way to center. Once you've cut from each of the 4 corners, go ahead and grab your paper pins. You're going to want to take your paper pin and poke a hole right from the back of your paper to the front, right in the center where that black dot is. Once you've pushed your paper pin through, go ahead and flip your pinwheel over. Now you're going to want to grab each of those 4 corners that you punched a hole in, and one at a time, you're going to want to slide them onto your paper pin. Now you're going to want to grab your straw. To connect your straw, you need to put a hole right in the center of it. Fold about 1 inch of your straw over and make a small cut. Then open your straw back up and slide your paper pin right through that hole that you just made in your straw. Now that the straw is on, to secure it in place, fold both sides of the paper pin flat. And there you have it. There's your pinwheel. Give it a blow and watch it spin. Have fun with this project. For more projects and fun, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye.